In this video, you will learn how to modify the file content. Okay. So far we know that a file can be accessed in serial manner and we can access the file in a random access. Okay. In order, normally text file is accessed with the help of sequential, but we can achieve with the help of fseek, ftel and rewind function. We can achieve a random access to the file. Okay, so first we will understand the procedure to modify the file content. Okay, so the procedure is initialize your pointer variable, then open a file, then read a data from file. This is the most important. Move the file pointer to the place where we want to modify a data, rewrite the new data at that place. Okay, so in order to modify a data, first we have to move our file pointer to the specific location with the help of fseek. Okay, and then we have to rewrite the new data, and you have to follow this procedure until the end of file and close the file and stop the process. Okay, so in order to do that, okay, we need fread and fwrite function. Okay, and we are going to modify a data that we have stored. So for example, consider we have one structure in which we have item ID, quantity, character name and one its price. So approx what is the size of this structure? Assume the integer is 4 byte, so 4 and 4 8 byte, 100 byte, that is a 108, and assume the size of float is 8 byte, so 116. So total 116 size or the bytes are required in order to store one information of stock. Okay, so if I have stored 10 records, okay, so 116 into 10, okay, that is a 1160 bytes. Now in order to access second record, I have to move my pointer to the 117. Okay, because a file contains 10 records, so the location of first is 1 to 116 and second is from 117. Okay, so that is the most important. We can directly move to the location that is a 117. Now I have opened my file in a read plus mode, so I can perform read and write. Okay, now once the file is open, we have to read with the help of fread. So first, size of it, I want to read only one record and I will store in it. Okay, now if I want to change it, okay, if I'm going to enter one, okay, then it is going to scan for data from user. Okay, now I want to write or I want to modify that record that we have already write into file. Okay, so now for that, what is the size of structure that will be stored? Okay, that is the size of it. How many records are there? Okay, and for that we have to multiply r into size of it, so it will move at a specific location where we want to perform update. Okay, so 0 means current from beginning and the current pointer, that is a fp, and we are writing this file. Okay, so this process is continue. Okay, if you want to modify the data, then press 1. Okay, r plus plus. If you don't want to modify, okay, then press 0 at this point. But this is the most important. We have to move to the specific location with the help of fseek function, and then we have to write fwrite. Okay, because it is in do while loop, so it is going to perform this operation. Okay, so it will read one record, display on a screen. Okay, if you want to modify, press 1, new record will be taken from user and it is going to write using fseek function. Now every time we are performing r plus plus, okay, means every time it is going to check whether the record is means it will track the number of records so far we have fetched from file. Okay, so in order to modify your fifth record, we have to first read up to fifth record, and that's why we have read up f6, and r is the number of record we have read so far, and we are writing with the help of fwrite. Okay, so this is all about modifying a file. Thank you.